Welcome to Tech Tuesday. Rich, what are we going to look at today?
We're going to look at a service called Writethat.name at a website called That.name, which allows all of your emails that come in to be automatically scanned, and then email addresses from those people that send emails to you, their phone numbers and any other contact information, to automatically be added to your Gmail contact list.
All right, here's what I'm thinking. This sounds like it's something that's designed for a business. Is that primarily the function?
That is true, and this is a great example of how we as educators can break out of our boundaries of only looking for resources that are designed or at least marketed to us as educators. I found this through somebody who's passionate about productivity and cutting down the amount of time that it takes to do repetitive tasks and to make their day more efficient, which I think is really the heart of what we want to do as an educator, right? So we can focus on kids.
And I just want to translate that into teacher speak.
Please.
As you're planning for the beginning of the year, and you have to create a database of all your contacts with the parents and students and whoever else you need to email or communicate with, this can help you solve that problem by capturing their information in an easy way.
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look. Okay.
All right, so in this example, I see that I have received an email from somebody that's new to me. It has their name and their contact information.
Okay.
What's great is it's automatically now saved into my contacts inside of Gmail, and anytime there's an update or a change to that person's contact information, it automatically gets updated. So I never have to manually go back in and type something up.
And it looks like it collects quite a bit of data.
It does, absolutely. And so let's take a look at how I know that information is being received by me and then captured and saved in my contacts. Once a day, I get a message like this. And on this particular day, I had 2 new contacts. And so you can see those people and their contact information have automatically been added into my Google contacts. And you can see quite a list there.
And what I love about this is it's labeling where they came from. It says right there, Writethat.name.
Yes.
It's letting me know that this has been collected from that resource. And I see so many, potential uses for this.
Again, a great way to build up a collection of people in your contact list that you might need their contact information from, but it does this automatically, so you don't have to hand enter this in. And again, I think it's a great, useful tool that saves us as teachers time, so we can focus more on students.
And we know that's a big need for teachers today.
Absolutely.
So, okay, what else do I need to know?
That there is a free plan. You can sign up for free. The first month, it gives you up to 100 contacts that will be saved. After that, you need to choose to either pay in order to keep getting 100 names, up to 100 names per month added to your contact list, or you can choose the free route, which gives you up to 10 names a month added for free automatically through Gmail.
I think that sounds like it would save time, and I think that's probably sufficient to get started.
Definitely, and there's one last thing to note as well. This is available for Gmail, and then if you're a Windows user and you have Outlook, it will work on that as well. But keep that in mind, if you're not a Windows Outlook user and you're not a Gmail user,
it's not going to work.
It's not going to work.
Maybe they'll add some updates.
Hopefully. I'd love to see this grow.
What about Gmail for Education? Does that work okay?
That works.
All right. Thank you for joining us for today's Tech Tuesday.